with the features like 0.01mm engraving accuracy, upgraded engraving safety, intuitive operation, and incredibly affordable price. There are plenty of reasons to recommend the Mecpow X3 Pro laser engraver for those who want to embark on their own DIY projects at home or simply personalize a gift. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. The assembly process is simple. If you are using it for the first time, just follow the manual and you'll breeze through it. Overall, it takes about 15 minutes to assemble everything. I've already created a tutorial video on it, so if you are interested, you can check it out. I won't go into all the details here. Using the engraver is a piece of cake. Like many other core XY laser engravers, you manually adjust the laser head to focus the laser. Place the provided focusing board on the laser head and let it gently touch the surface. Secure the head tightly, remove the board, and voila! The Mecpow X3 Pro is compatible with laser GRBL and light burn software. In this video, we'll demonstrate light burn software. There are plenty of great tutorials available online, so you can always take some time to learn it if you like. The interface might seem a little bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, you only need to make a few adjustments most of the time. After some practice or learning, you'll get the hang of it in no time. To achieve the best results when engraving or cutting different materials, it's always a good idea to perform a material test first. I absolutely like this feature in light burn because it helps prevent overburning or underburning. Let's use wood as an example. When the speed is set below 17mm per second, the results aren't as impressive. In fact, you can even see the laser burning through the material, which is definitely not what I want. So I always have the option to avoid using that speed and power combination. Now, let's talk about the engravability of the Mecpow X3 Pro. For those wondering about the materials it can handle, it features 450nm laser, also known as a dye laser. It works best on wood, medium density fiberboard, various painted metals, and even 304 stainless steel among others. Let me show you the results. And they're stunning. The engravings appear smooth, with intricate details beautifully preserved. It should meet all your basic engraving needs. Since the Mecpow X3 Pro comes with a 10W laser, it's perfect for cutting as well. During my testing, I was able to cut an 8mm basswood in just 3 passes. There are a couple of noteworthy accessories worth mentioning. First is the rotary extension, which you need to purchase separately. It's incredibly useful when it comes to engraving cylindrical objects. Here's what's included with the rotary extension. To use it, you'll need to lift the laser engraver slightly, depending on the object you're engraving. Then you simply replace the cable for the y-axis, and that's it. Adjust the laser focus done the same way you would on a flat material. The results are quite impressive, as it allows for even engraving on cylindrical projects. Another accessory is air assist, which blows away smoke and debris while cutting or engraving, ensuring a clean surface. And here you have it. If you're looking for a simple and cost-effective laser engraver that can handle your daily DIY engraving needs, I highly recommend the Mecpow X3 Pro. It covers all the basics flawlessly while offering a competitive price compared to other laser engravers with similar designs. Most importantly, it prioritizes safety by providing an eye protection shield on its laser module, as well as features such as flame detection and tilt protection, making it ideal for new users. And if you are interested in this product, please check the link in the description and get one now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.